So actually, the group chanting was very well. Everyone was chanted. Some kind of vibration was there. I could feel it, to be frank. After the, Guruji explained me each and bit of every Khadgamala mantra, so relating to the Sri Chakra Yantra, so that we can relate what we are chanting and how it will be beneficial for us. The last one, the Diksha session, I really felt something very light, and it was energy wise to something very unexplainable. Very good it was, experience was.
நமஸ்காரம், என்னோட பேர் செந்தில் குமரன், சென்னையிலேருந்து வந்திருக்கேன். ஏற்கனவே ஸ்ரீவித்யா 11 7 கிளாஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம் 5 years பேக். ஸோ நடுவில் கொஞ்சம் டச் விட்டுருச்சு. சரி, திரும்ப கண்டினியூ பண்ணலாம் தான் இன்றைக்கி கட்டுமலா கிளாஸ் வந்தேன். இங்கே வந்தப்புறமா என்னோட சொல்கிறதுக்கே வார்த்தைகள் வரல நினச்சாலே அந்தளவுக்கு ஃபுல் ஹீலிங் எனக்கு நடந்திருக்கு. ப்ளஸ் காட் கிரேஸும் நம்ம குருவோட கிரேஸும் கிடைச்சிருக்கு. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಗುರುಜಿ.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಶಾರದಾ ಮಲ್ಲೇಶ್ ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀವಿದ್ಯಾ ಉಪಾಸನೆ ಕಲಿಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ವಿ. ಗುರುಗಳು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ತುಂಬ ಸುಲಭವಾದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಂಗೆ ಮನ ಮುಟ್ಟೋಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಚಾಂಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯೆನ್ಸು. ಅಷ್ಟು ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಗುರೂಜಿನ ಅಷ್ಟು ವೈಬ್ರೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಖಡ್ಗಮಾಲ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು. ಖಡ್ಗಮಾಲನು ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು, ಅದನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿ ಸರಳ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗೋ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮನ ಮುಟ್ಟೋ ಹಂಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ರು. ತುಂಬ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯೆನ್ಸು. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ದೀಕ್ಷೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯೆನ್ಸು. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಶ್ರೀವಿದ್ಯಾ ಸಾಧನೆಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಲೆವೆಲಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಮೂಕಾಂಬಿಕಾ ದೇವಿ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ತಿರುಮುಲರ್ಜಿ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸದ್ಗುರು ಶಿವಪ್ರೇಮಾನಂದಜಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು, ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕ ವಂದನೆಗಳು.
Myself Sukesh, I have been practicing Shiva Yoga from last 10 years. I am very thankful to Guruji and Tirumala for giving me Diksha. A lot of transformation has happened in my life after doing the sadhana. Mentally I am very strong, peaceful. Example, whenever the situation gets tensed outside, I will be very peaceful. Sometimes then I realize that the situation is not causing the problem. It is our inner mentally we are causing the situation. So by doing the sadhana, I will remain always peaceful. Physically there is no illness. Sometimes I feel like it's been many months that I have not fallen ill, and later I realized that it's the sadhana power that I'm feeling well. And when Guruji says that divine will take care of your situation, it is true that divine will take care of our situation. What we are thinking is like we are trying to solve the problems of tomorrow and day after tomorrow, but divine is trying to solve the problem of our full lifetime. We should blindly trust our current situation and the upcoming situations as a divine will, and we should move forward because everything is happening according to the divine grace. Yeah, in this last 10 years, the most important lesson what I have learned is like surrenderance. Till few days back, I was not knowing how to surrender. It took me 10 years to understand how to surrender. I am very thankful to Sadhguru Shivapremanandji and Tirumala for blessing and to experience the unconditional divine love. I prefer everyone should do the sadhana. Thank you.
Namaste, I'm Sharad. So this is my first time experience of the workshop. So I have taken the 2 Dikshas before. I felt the energy presence very high, and also I have a transforming experiences with the Rajashamala. So I have become very cool, and most of my anger or the stressful thoughts, so many things are disappearing. So I would like to continue more with the Srividya sadhana, and especially experiences with the Varahi. I lost many of my enemies driving away from my life, and have a lot of mental stability and the clarity. So I advise everybody to do the sadhana here, because the energy level experience and the energy of the Guru is also very high, and this is one of my best experience I ever had in my life with the spirituality. Thank you.
Shivaham. I took Srividya level 1 to 7 sadhana. Spiritual path is speechless, and I don't have any words because that much gratitude I'm having to Guruji and to this Guru Parampara. Every day I'm experiencing unconditional love of Divine Mother. Divine Mother is guiding each and every step of my life, like anything. With the blessings of Guruji, I attain all my financial goals easily, and now I'm on to the spiritual path. In each and every step of mine, Guruji is guiding like anything, and he is living Shiva, which I feel. Thank you so much, Guruji.
Shivoham. So I have been into Sri Vidya since 7-8 years, I believe, for now. And it's been like a life-changing event kind of for me. I do my practice every day. I do my meditation every day, and no words. I mean, I don't know. It's something like, which is beyond words for me. And especially, I love Samadhi Siddhi Sadhana. So basically speaking about Sri Vidya, it's like it's beyond words. So no words. Every single session, my experience is I touch Samadhi stage, and that is like very. I'm very happy with it.
Hi, I am Shankar Narayanan. I'm student of Guruji from 2014. Every time the Guruji session, even though we repeatedly attend session, we get to know every time a new information from Divine Mother herself, and the energy what we get, and the universal laws, and whatever the Guruji says, everything he says like the advanced level. So every time you just listen to Guruji, you will get to know the answers whatever you need to get from the Divine Mother. Somewhere or other you will be connected, and when you meditate and when you do when you align with the Guru Parampara and you do it and you get some information that would really answer all your questions, and that's so great. Thank you so much, Guruji and Divine Mother, for arranging this to us, and it's a really great blessing for us. Thank you.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಪೈ ಅಂತ. ಬೆಳಗಾವಿಯಿಂದ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಾಧನಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರುಜಿ ಅವರ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕಲಿ ಅವರು ಬಹಳ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಬಹಳ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಸಹಜ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುವ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳನ್ನ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನನಗೆ ಆಹಾರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟ, ಅವರು ಗೋಬಿ ಮಂಚೂರಿಯನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುವ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳನ್ನ ಸಹಜವಾಗಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಚಾಂಟಿಂಗ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಗ್ಗೂಟಾಗಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಆ ಜಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿರೋ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ದೀಕ್ಷಾ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿರೋ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಶಬ್ದದಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಣನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬ್ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ಲೆಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಎಸ್, ಒಂದು ಶಬ್ದದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಬ್ಲಿಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಅಂತ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ವಾತಾವರಣ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಈ ಒಂದು ಜನ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ರು. ಅಂಡ್ ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣನೇ ಒಂದು ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ದೀಕ್ಷಾ ಆದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಇನ್ನೂ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆದ ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
The teachings was awesome. Like here you realize what you are, and you know the basic knowledge, what is happening to you, and you can relate more to the earthly world also, because we are suffering a lot from this earthly, what we want. We are that, like, we understand what is the connection between the divine and the human, and happily we can be with ourselves.
The group chanting is very energizing. I really like coming here because that kind of elevates I would say my mood, my energies, my way of living gets changed because of Guruji's teaching. It helps me solve some of the issues that I'm facing, adopting all the techniques that I learn here. So I'm very grateful for the teachings here. Thank you.
Hello, this is Sindhu. I got Diksha 4 years back, that Durga Saptashati. It helps to eliminate my all bad friends. And after that I have taken Varahi Diksha. Amma guided me for the future, what the way can I choose in every step. After that I have taken Sri Vidya. Now I'm living happily, and I got to know what is the purpose of my life and all. Thank you.